Oh, people doing a lot of running around trying to round up tarps and food, supplies, and it is a mess. You know, when the lights are out, it's like, I don't know if I had mentioned this before, but you treat it like a four-way stop, and people down here must be freaking retarded because they don't understand what a four-way stop means. I guess it's a damn mess. It's going to take a long time for this place to recover from this, man. This whole town is freaking wrecked. I grew up here. I lived here a long time. And if it wasn't for my freaking GPS, I'm having a hard time figuring out which road is what. Reminds me of Katrina. It's a freaking mess, man. I'd like to know just how many power company trucks are down here, and tree cutters and boom trucks, man. It is freaking, it's insane. Just pulled through a National Guard station a little while ago. They were giving out some doodads, MREs and stuff. And these dudes were in full battle gear with their weapons. I guess those were M4s, but it was crazy seeing armed troops running around. But I'm glad to see it, It's like they've killed 6 looters. I think homeowners killed them. I don't think anybody else did. But at night, I figured there'd be cops patrolling the neighborhoods, but you might see 2 cops a night, and that's about it. And everybody else has got the loot signs up. We'll kill your ass. Alright, I think I've already filmed this area, so what I'm going to do, cut this off and try to get some pictures of a part of town I haven't been in yet. Alright, later taters.